My daughter is a collegiate athlete going off to college, and I wanted to set her up with a large first aid kit to help her through her athletics, all the bumps and bruises that are inevitable in daily life and in sports. Love that this one has this locking mechanism to contain and keep organized flexible and water-locking Band-Aids, a full-size Neosporin and Benadryl, the True Stay and the flexible fabric Band-Aids, as well as cleansing wipes, the paper tape, the all-purpose dressing, butterfly closures, etc. Love that these stay organized. I find that even if I pop them out, they can just slide right back in, and I do really appreciate that this is going to last her a while because we do have full size, full scale everything. The scissors are a nice addition to keep close for the tapes and any gauzes or bandages that you do need to get to size. But most of the gauzes do start at a 2x2 inch, 2x3 inch, etc. So I feel like they're reasonable and usable. And here's a look at those cleansing wipes, as well as those 2x3 inch larger gauzes should you have a more significant need. Or alternately, the larger scale Band-Aids, kind of a 1.5 by 3 inch size. And underneath, it does store even larger items. Here's a picture of, let's see if we can get to it, lots of gauze, rolling gauze, etc. And these shakeable icy hots, if you need an ice pack on the go. And the scissors are nice and convenient as well. But most importantly, I love that this is all going to stay tight in one convenient space that she can grab and go and refill over time. One thing that I wish I could add in here is some of the standard medicines that you might need, more of the additional like pain relievers, Tylenols, cold medicines, etc. So you could always take out that plastic organization system if that finds you something that you need. But again, this is more of a first aid kit, not a total like wellness kit. So again, not that big of a deal, but something that I was going to think about for setting her off with everything that she might need for school. Overall, super pleased with this. I feel like it's quality. The red case feels durable and that it'll last, and it is FSA or health spending account eligible too if you're looking to reimburse the purchase, which is always nice. Hope this helps.